Finley is part of the Welsh Academy for Triathlon and was one of 4 selected for the UK School Games Finals in 2022 at Loughborough University. He had a very successful British Super Series, finishing 20th overall in the Youth A event. A 4th place finish in Bari and 5th in Llandudno ranked him 1st in the Youth Open category in the 2023 Welsh Super Series. Finley also competes in athletics and is the Welsh Mountain Running Champion.
Mae Rory yn cystadlu mewn beicio ffordd a chynrychiolaeth Prydain Fawr yng Ngemau Olympaidd Ieuenctid Ewrop yn y digwyddiad prawf amser. Cafodd Rory lwyddiant ysgubol trwy gydol y tymor gan ddod yn pencampwr cyfres cylchdaith 216 Prydain trwy cymryd 5 allan o 5 buddugoliaeth. Hefyd, Rory yw pencampwr cylchdaith cenedlaethol 216 Cymru ac wedi bennu'r tymor yn y 7fed safle ar draws Prydain. Mae gwaith caled ac ymroddiad Rory wedi arwain iddo arwyddo i dîm datblygu 218 AG2R Citroen yn Ffrainc, gan gamu mewn i un o dîmau gorau'r byd.
Gwion Williams, a pupil at Carmarthenshire School in Carmarthen, competes in the slalom canoe event. In June 2023, Gwion competed in the European Canoe Association Junior Slalom Cup in Slovakia, where he fought off a field of 60 competitors to finish 2nd overall, a fantastic achievement for the 16-year-old from Carmarthen. Gwion manages his time well to fit in his school studies around his training and competing, and has a bright future representing Wales and Great Britain in canoe slalom.